Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's video will really be something important for you because in this I'm going to read and discuss the best story from the example candidate response. So this story is going to give you insight into the way to write an A-star story. Here you will see that how the writer coherently describes the whole story. You will look at the vocabulary used by the writer. You will also see that how the language flows under the perfect idea of the story. So let's read it without wasting time and watch this video till the end so that you can also see that how a story moves smoothly from the beginning to till the end. The sun shined profusely as blades of light hit the rickety chair. The birds chirped while one sat at the window still, drinking water from a pot of clay placed there. While the atmosphere radiated peace and calm, I rummaged chaotically throughout the box, barely holding on for its life. I need to finish packing today, I thought, as I threw the books from the box into a gargantuan suitcase. My old age had made me even more idle than I was in high school. So we notice that the response begins with a narrative feature, a metaphor which hints at the protagonist's advanced age and fragility, which is later contrasted with the vitality of their memory. So the verb adverb combination adds characterization. Another example of a narrative feature. Clap. A photograph fell from a box I was going to place in the suitcase. When I saw the photograph, memories came rushing back. It was a Polaroid with class of 2007 carved intricately with a pink marker at its upper white edge. I was reminded of the best day of my life at high school, the day of the seniors talent show. Me and my best friend got ready to the best of our abilities. We all wore the classic boot and jeans with pink shirts and adorned cute jewelry. So you see that the use of the onomatopoeic word clap breaks the calm, signaling the beginning of something that will unsettle the atmosphere established at the outset. Then we notice that the act of seeing the Polaroid triggers a metaphorical flood of vivid memories about the best. So you can see the very careful and the beautiful use of the figurative language in this piece of writing. The talent show was held in the auditorium. We opened the door and excitedly stepped inside. Our faces lit up as soon as we entered the auditorium. The ceiling was full of colorful balloons. The walls were flooded with pictures of the seniors, fairy lights. Their way throughout the picture seamlessly. The air was thick with excitement and filled with the hustle and bustle of the student talking and gossiping. The stage was marvelously set up with a poster of carved with the word class of 2007 beautifully written on it. The decor team had done an exceptional job. The fully dressed up students filled the chairs as little piece of a puzzle, and the show began. So here we notice that the sensory details are used, focusing on the light, sounds of the auditorium alongside the use of pathetic fallacy. The air was thick with excitement. So you can see that the manipulation of structure at sentence and paragraph level for deliberate effect with the use of the single short sentence paragraph. So you can see that it has been beautifully crafted story. My face marveled at every performance. I cheered for my classmate showcasing their best talent in the middle of the talent show. While everyone was enjoying to their fullest, the light went out. The whole auditorium whispered in confusion as the host team seemed to be doing nothing about it. Boo! Bellowed one of my classmates. Crack, crack. A single spotlight suddenly illuminated the stage. Someone started singing. I recognized the voice immediately. It can't be, I muttered. As my friend gasped, the light turned on, providing us a clear view. The entire auditorium screamed as they realized what it was. It was my favorite rock band. All of the students were euphoric as they screamed the song that had taped the charts that year. I cannot believe it. I screamed at tears-filled eyes. You do not get to see your favorite rock band at your school every day. After the amazing performance, we took pictures with the rock band and learned that our school was hosting a reality show that filmed bands carrying out various activities and decided to surprise us. So the next day we were given the Polaroids of the class and the band. I excitedly took the Polaroid and wrote class of 2007 on it with a bright pink marker. So we can see that using direct speech further adds characterization with the use of the verb muttered, emphasizing the protagonist's sense of incredibility. So you can see that the candidate establishes tension, which is then released as the lights reveal who is singing. So you can see the element of suspense. The candidate aids characterization by the use of direct speech with the addition of the verb scream and the use of the showing in the phrases. So the reference to the bright pink marker creates a cyclical narrative by referring back to an image established at the outset, showing a thoughtful control of the response. So you can see that the things are very carefully planned in this speech. There is no flaw and there is nothing illogical in the whole story. Now look at the end of it. The corners of my lips curled into a smile as I remembered the golden days of my life. This trip down the memory was certainly needed, and it gave me energy to pack for my flight to Europe to see my lovely children. Sometimes all you need is a little memory from your days of youth to feel better. So you can see that the story ends really very nicely and smoothly. The mention of their lovely children implies that the protagonist has a strong familial bond with further deepening characterization. Then we see that throughout the response, the candidate accurately uses a wide range of well constructed sentences, including all types of different sentences. The spelling in this piece is highly accurate. The spelling of marvelously is acceptable as American spellings are permissible. So you can see that here the content and structure part is highly rated 9 out of 10 and style and accuracy 13 out of 15. So the candidate gets the highest marks with 22 out of 25. Now when we look at the examiner's comment on this response and see the further guidance by the examiner, we notice that the content and the structure parts improvement to improve the candidate needed to employ showing rather than telling with actions and sensory detail, like more description was needed here. The candidate could have extended the tension in the moment of the blackout rather than immediately revealing the arrival. So I am not going to read the whole comment. It will take a lot of time and it will make my video longer, and you might not want to watch a longer video. So you can read it yourself by stopping the video. The candidate's control of the time frame could have been improved. As a response reached its conclusion, the transition from the protagonist's memory of the talent show back to the present was somewhat abrupt. I mean, it needed little more sophistication. So when we talk about style and accuracy, so we notice that the examiner's comments are consistency was needed in the punctuation of direct speech, with punctuation moved inside the closing speech. I mean, more emphasis on punctuation, correcting the plural form of seniors talent show to seniors talent show to indicate possession, in addition to including example of apostrophes was needed. Avoiding combining exclamation marks with full stop, as in the case of it was my favorite rock band. would have helped to improve this response. Okay, now it was only, the at the end only exclamatory mark was needed. This response exceeded the indicative word count and had the candidate written less, they would have had time to check their response for errors, particularly in punctuation, and as such achieved a higher marks. So here you can see that though this response gets the highest marks for the year, but even then examiner points out points for the improvement. So you can note the things mentioned by examiner for the content and structure part and style and accuracy part, and you can think carefully when you are producing your responses, and you can take guidance from the story written here, and rather than going for larger things and bigger ideas, you can also pick a simple idea like this and produce a wonderful story. Thank you very much for watching it. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.